Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be not reacting to and not recreating, I'm remaking my most popular ever YouTube video. I think it was called The Only Makeup You Need, or like how to streamline your makeup bag, something like that. It's got 4.6 million views, which is ridiculous. It just went viral. Something in the algorithm picked it up and it just kept going and going and going and going, like out of control. So somehow I have a video that has 4.6 million views, and I thought it would be fun to revisit it a few years later and remake it with the products that I use now, because I'm older, I'm drier, my daily makeup routine has totally changed. I filmed the video using studio lights because that's how I filmed the original video. But as we all know now, makeup looks totally different with studio lighting. So as you see here and as you'll see at the end of the video, this is what it's like in natural lighting. So don't be horrified when I look like crazy shiny. Okay, this was really fun to film. So let's get started with all the fancy magic editing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So these are the products that I like to use on most days. As I said, I'm older now, my skin is drier, so I like to use creamy, hydrating, very glowy products, and that's going to be the theme throughout this video today. Starting with the Glossier Future Dew, they call this an oil serum hybrid. There's a few ways you could use this. You can use it as a base under your makeup, you can mix a pump in with your foundation, or you can just use a little bit on the tops of your cheekbones for a bit of a glowy highlight. Then for foundation, I've really been enjoying the Giorgio Armani Neo Nude. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is a product that I have in so many of my skincare products. It helps retain moisture in the skin, so anything with hyaluronic acid, you know it's going to be really hydrating and really glowy, and I've just been loving using this foundation. For concealer, I've been using this one from Shiseido. I love a cream concealer. This one is like a cream gel formula. It's so nice, so hydrating. And actually I use my finger to blend in my concealer these days. I just find that the warmth from my skin really helps to like blend it into the skin so it's not sitting on top of your makeup. You just have to have a little bit more patience because it takes a little bit longer and you just have to keep tapping away. I especially find this works under the eye, where concealer can often crease if you have quite dry skin under the eye. This really helps with that. Next up is this cream bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I love a cream bronzer. Again, I just feel like it meshes with my skin better. It doesn't sit on top of my skin like a powder would. And it just gives me a really nice, like, subtle bronze, literally like I've been sitting in the sun on holiday. I take it in a 3 shape on the outer parts of my face, but then I also like to take it across my cheekbones and across my nose, because that's kind of where the sun would naturally hit you and it gives you a really nice like suntan look. This is a cream blusher from Nude Sticks. I don't actually use the brush that comes with this, but it's a really nice cream bronzer that blends really nicely into the skin. So I just apply it onto my cheeks and then just blend out the edges with a brush. And again, you can see it adds so much glow to my cheeks, which makes you look really healthy. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and at the moment I'm trying the Urban Decay Clear Brow Gel. Now please excuse my eyebrows, lockdown life, they are just terrible at the moment, but I tend to just brush through them with a spoolie and then using a pencil on the inside and the arch of my brows and then applying the clear brow gel. For my eyes, I tend to use one of these 3 products. They'll all be listed below in the description box, but today I'm applying MAC Groundwork all over my lid. It's just a really nice long wearing cream eyeshadow, very easy to throw on the lids every day. I tend to take it over the lids and then a little bit under the eye as well. I always like to wear a little bit of brown eyeliner, either a kohl or a liquid brown liner. Today I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury brown liquid eyeliner. I tend to rest my little pinky finger on my cheek, it helps with a bit of stability, and then I just apply a really thin line along the top lash line. For mascara, I'm going to be using this one from Bare Minerals, it's called Lashtopia. I also love the Smashbox one. I like quite like a big fluffy mascara. I have to say I'm not that fussy with mascaras, but this one has been working really well for me recently. These are two of the everyday lipsticks that I really love, both from NARS. The lipstick is called Chelsea Girls and the Afterglow Lip Balm is in Fast Lane. Both are kind of nude, pinky, peachy colour, very easy to wear. I really like that sheer formula on the lips. Just something you can like throw on and you don't even need a mirror to apply it. So that's everything. Those are the products that I've been using every day. Let me know what you guys think. As I said, everything that I used, the full names, the shades that I wear will be listed in the description box below. Here's the final look, just so you can see, and I'm also going to switch off the studio lights so you can see what it looks like in natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.